Daniel, good job on your presentation. I think you put together your project very nicely. I can definitely tell you put some time and effort into your project. It was organized and the information was direct and to the point. Your comparison and evaluation versus assessment gave a clear, precise picture of the differences between the two and helped me to clearly understand the goal of each style. As a future building leader, giving feedback through this video allows us to give immediate feedback in the future. It is a useful tool and allows us to make professional and personal connections when reflecting on teacher evaluations, but not having to schedule another meeting. I mean, that could be a hassle and in a bigger district you're in. So giving these Oreo cookie review feedbacks, I think, can be very beneficial as a future administrator, and I am interested to use this in my future career. You did a great job on this module, and it was evident you put a lot of time and effort into your project. I really enjoyed your presentation, and you did a great job. So can't wait to keep learning from you in this course as we finish up nearing the end. Keep up the good work and great job.